Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add another picture to your photo on the Polish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app and tap on the create button, then select a picture from your gallery. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find this add button, then add another picture. Here you can change its size, make it bigger, smaller, and then place it to a part. On your picture you can adjust it by the help of this slide. You can also crop it. You can use the eraser. You can zoom in for better application and adjust the eraser's size and blurriness here, so you can erase unnecessary parts more precisely by the help of this tool, like this. Then tap on the check mark icon. You can also use filters, and you can flip it horizontally and vertically too, so feel free to place it within your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.